Hello and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we've got some really nice budget-friendly Banarasi weaves that should be in your wardrobe. So let me show you how they are. So this is our first Banarasi fabric. It's in a beautiful pastel purple color which looks really gorgeous and feminine. So we are going to show you a couple of pastel colors, starting off with this one. As you can see, the base color, it's a very pretty purple color, and on it you can see this thread work and zari work. The thread work is in a nice contrast of pink pastel color which gives a really nice contrast to the purple and pink, and all of the zari work is silver zari work which looks really beautiful and could be perfect to create any kind of lehengas, or if you want to stand out and create a nice kurti for an occasion, this fabric would look very beautiful. You can see the shine of this fabric on the light, how beautiful this looks, and it's perfect. You can look at the borders as well, it's really gorgeous. Now another shade in that beautiful purple pastel color was this pretty pista green pastel color. Again, the color is very light and subtle which gives a very soft and feminine look. It could be perfect to create any kind of sarees too. So on this as well you can see this contrast pink color thread work and beautiful silver zari work. The silver zari work looks so beautiful and the Banarasi weaving is very vibrant and very pretty. You can see how gorgeous the fabric is, and the texture of it also is very rich, and you can create a nice menswear kurta or a menswear vest also with this kind of color for any kind of summer weddings or day out functions too. Now for a different change in the fabrics, I have selected a beautiful tissue Banarasi fabric which is really gorgeous. You can see how it reflects to the light. The shine of it is very nice because of the tissue fabric. Perfect because it can be worn in the summer weddings too because of how lightweight this is, and the Banarasi weaving has always been very rich and traditional. So if you wanted to create any sari with this kind of fabric too, it would be the perfect choice. You can look at the gold zari work that has been done on the borders. It looks really pretty, very minimal yet beautiful, and all over it you can see the silver zari work which is all done in lotus and paddy leaves, looking very pretty, and it gives a really different and unique touch to the entire fabric. So if you wanted to create a nice kurta or a kurti or any suit set as well, this blue shade would look really pretty on you. Now another very beautiful thing about this fabric is the falling of it. It is very nice and it drapes beautifully on your body. You can see how it looks on my body. I've just put it on the fabric on my body right now. So if you wanted to create any kind of sarees or lehenga too, it would drape perfectly on your body. Now showing you the zari work again in this nice silver zari and gold zari. The combination is a nice contrast. The shade of it is in a nice purple color which gives a very royal and regal look. Perfect to create any kind of lehenga set, or even if you want to make a nice anarkali. You can look at the shine of it, it looks really amazing. Now I would have loved creating any kind of blouse pieces also with this, or a nice sari as well. Now another nice and vibrant shade in that tissue Banarasi fabric is this beautiful yellow color. Now this yellow color is perfect because you can create a nice haldi ceremony look with this, or any puja functions. For that you can customize this into the perfect outfit. Now the yellow color is in a nice vibrant yet muted shade which gives a really elegant look. It's not too bright or it's not too gaudy, and you can create a really nice lehenga out of this, or if you want to create a nice dupatta, you want to do something different. Now looking at the zari work, you can see how beautiful this is, and it shines beautifully on the light too. Wearing it on the day out would be perfect because of all this zari work of silver and gold. Again, all of this lotus and paddy leaves and this minimal border work makes it look very elegant and quite unique. We have a lot of other shades in this as well. As you've seen the other pastel colors in this Banarasi weave, I've got you another shade that I really liked. It's a really pretty turquoise shade with nice vibrant pink thread work. Now the pink and the turquoise, as you can see with the detailing, the fine details on it, makes it look really elegant, and the zari work on it, which is in a nice silver color, gives it a really beautiful and glamorous look. Now the shine on this fabric also is perfect yet again. And if you want to create any blouse or sari, or if you want to create a suit set too, this fabric would look beautiful. You can see the borders, it's perfect to create any kind of lehengas too. You've got the perfect border for it, and the color too is quite nice for the summer season too. Now we've got some vibrant shades in these Banarasi weaves which would look perfect because these shades are best if you want to go for any kind of traditional functions or occasions. So here I have this really nice magenta pink color Banarasi weave, and the silk fabric is also quite beautiful and the texture of it is very rich. You can see the silver zari work that has been done on it, and a little bit of gold also it's been shining on the light. The work over here is very pretty, and you can see these fine details of floral work done on it too. Now the borders are quite big, which would be perfect to create any kind of sarees or lehengas, and if you wanted to pair this off with a nice contrast color too, this fabric would look really good on you. Now another shade in that red vibrant color was this beautiful green color. We have a lot of other shades in this collection. Now this is one of the colors that I had picked because of how earthy and how nice it is to look at. It gives a very calming sense because of the nice green color that has been selected here on this fabric. Perfect because of the light gold zari work and the silver work that has been done all across it, giving it a very nice and sweet touch. Now if you wanted to create any kind of anarkalis or any mehendi looks too, this fabric would be the perfect fabric to recreate. Even for a menswear kurta, this fabric would look really beautiful. You can look at the border work too, it really shines in the light. Now here this is a final Banarasi fabric in a nice pastel, almost bubblegum pink color. Very pretty, very feminine, and if you want to create any kind of beautiful lehengas or sarees and look like a princess, this fabric would look very nice on you. Now looking at the gold zari work and this nice light pink base color, the contrast of it gives a really nice and royal touch. The gold zari work, as you can see on all over it, gives a very nice shine to it. You can see that all of this has been done in a stripes pattern, and inside of it you can see the zigzag design and floral booty work too. Now the borders here also are quite elegant, so if you wanted to create any kind of sarees too with this fabric and have your own Bollywood moment, this fabric would look very beautiful on you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit a like and comment below if you want to know any more details. You can subscribe to our channel to know more about the trending fabrics in this season, and for any in-house customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.